In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable immediate auto lock on Trust Wallet. You can simply make your Trust Wallet passcode get activated immediately after leaving the app. To do this, simply open up your Trust Wallet. You will have to enter your passcode to access your wallet. On this page, tap right here on the settings icon to head into your settings. Select the option of security. Still enter your passcode again. Then tap on the auto lock option, which is just right here. You will have to choose when you wish your wallet to lock after leaving the app. Tap right here on immediately. Your Trust Wallet will automatically get locked after leaving the app. That's how easy it is to enable immediate lock on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.